Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a direct message on X, formerly known as Twitter, enabling email notifications is the way to go. With the latest updates, the process is quick and straightforward. Here's how you can set it up on your PC. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side menu and find the More icon. Click on it to reveal a list of additional options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can manage everything related to your X experience. Next, find and click on Notifications. In the Notifications section, you'll see an option called Preferences. Click on Preferences to access more detailed notification settings. Now, choose Email Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly what types of email alerts you want to receive from X. To make sure you're notified whenever you get a direct message, look for the option labeled Direct Messages and check the box next to it. Once you've checked the box for direct messages, your preferences are saved automatically. That's it. You'll now receive an email notification every time someone sends you a direct message on X, so you can stay connected even when you're not actively browsing the platform. This feature is especially useful if you manage important conversations or just want to make sure you never miss a message from friends or colleagues. By keeping your email notifications for direct messages enabled, you can respond promptly and stay engaged with your X community. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay connected and enjoy your experience on X.